Home gardening ideas. So today's video is about growing plants together. Which house plants you can grow together or multiply gardening. What I mean by that, there are some times when you don't get enough pots for the garden, so at such times you can grow some plants together, or you can decor your pots with different types of plants together. So today I will be sharing with you some plants together and how to grow them and how to care for them. When selecting plants to a same pot, see that watering, sun requirements, water requirements, sunlight requirements, fertilizer, and also their humidity levels should be the same. So now here I have some coleus plants, and we know that coleus plant grow a little bit tall, and I have some wandering Jew on the same pot. So now water levels and also sunlight requirements and fertilizer also same when you take these two plants. These two loves the shade, they will grow well in the shade, semi-shade, and also you can water them when the top layer of the soil is dry, and moisture level also the same. So these plants love the humidity, so you can grow them together. So coleus and wandering Jew you can put together in the same pot. Here I have lucky bamboo stems, and under that I have wandering Jew and coleus. All these plants requirements are the same. So be very specific when selecting plants when you want to put them together and when you don't have pots at that time. So you can put the same requirement plants together. So do not put succulents here because coleus plants requirements are different and lucky bamboo different, then the cactus will be different. So when you are planning to put cactus type plants together. Here I have some syngonium plant cuttings, and also I have a begonia leaf. So they are well growing in the same pot because the requirements are same. Now here I have some dwarf syngonium along with the enjoy pothos. Their requirements also the same. Always try new home gardening ideas to decor your home with new decorative plants and new decorative gardening ideas, so that you will come up with many. So this is my idea to put same requirement plants at the same pot, and I have described you about a couple of plants that you can put together.